This is an Ikea store. This one is in the Philippines, and it's the world's largest. But as an archipelago of over 7,000 islands, one store wasn't enough for all Filipinos. So we took our showrooms to them, converting thousands of everyday spaces into shoppable Ikea stores. With real Ikea furniture and real Ikea tags, each with a QR code that allowed shoppers to scan and purchase items directly from the online Ikea store. Now this gym is an Ikea store. This nail salon is an Ikea store. This coffee shop, this restaurant, this camping site, this hotel pool, this hair salon, this beach, this burger shop, even this Jujutsu dojo is an Ikea store. Ikea was everywhere, and Filipinos started sharing locations on social media, with Ikea family loyalty members turning their own homes into shoppable Ikea stores, receiving exclusive discounts and benefits year-round. Even this case study video is an Ikea store.